In your eyes, I can see myself. I'm happy when you smile. In your voice, I feel a warmth that touches my inner child. I have your hair, your sensibility. You believe in my dream. When you near me, all over the world shines a golden gleam. For all your tenderness and for all your kisses, I want to thank you, Mommy, more than I can say. And even though I know that someday you will leave me, as my angel, you stay with me anyway. Even though no one can take your place, I promise I'll be fine. Because your endless love fulfills me to the end of time. I learned to fly high from you. You taught me to feel free, and that I could find eternal treasures inside of me. For all your care and for all your wisdom, I want to